Welcome to Team Blanco iPhone Repair. You will need three different tools: a Phillips, Penelope, and a flat. Number one, look for the two screws on the bottom. Remove those two screws. Slide the back cover up. Remove the battery screw. Lift the battery up from the plastic on the side. Remove the two screws that you see circled. Click that flex. Remove the two screws that are circled on the bottom. Next, remove these two screws that are circled that hold the vibrator. We will need to remove 5 screws that are circled here on the top. Unplug the flex cables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, remove the camera flex button. Lift the camera. Next, remove this single screw. Lift the motherboard up and you will find 8 different screws that are circled that hold the LCD. Be gentle with the flex cable while removing. If it's broken, no problem. Thank you for watching. We hope that this video can help you to fix your iPhone 4 or 4S. See you next time.